Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset channel. In this episode, I will show you the ports and buttons of the VIVO Y31 phone. Now, looking closely at this phone, we can turn it over to its right-hand edge, where we will find the dedicated volume up and volume down buttons. Positioned just below those, we find the main power button, which also conveniently serves as an integrated fingerprint scanner. This means that the very moment we touch this button, our fingerprint will be automatically scanned and verified at the same time as the phone turns on. Of course, by using these physical buttons, we can also easily navigate and control the various system options available within the recovery mode menu. Using the volume up and down buttons, we can navigate through the various options, while the power button is used to confirm our selection. Now, if we take a look at the opposite side of our phone, that is, on its left edge, there is a SIM card slot located right at the top. We can easily open this tray by inserting a pin into this small hole and pressing down. Then it pops out, and we can remove it. At the very top edge of our phone, we won't find any particularly interesting features. However, when we turn our phone upside down and look closely at its bottom, we can find a small solitary circular hole here, which is the primary built-in microphone of our device. On the right side, we will find 5 holes, which are our speaker. Meanwhile, in the middle, we will find the charging port. This is a USB Type-C socket. We can use this port to charge our phone and also to transfer files, for example, to a computer. As for charging the device, we can do it right here at an impressive maximum speed of 44 watts. Why? If this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's all from me. I'll say goodbye now. Bye.